Hello dear children. So we were doing division sums last week and we were dividing numbers by one digit. This week, from now on, we'll be learning how to divide numbers by two digits, by double digits. Now, most of us know the tables from 2 to 9, but we don't know the tables from 12 onwards till 99. But if you know the tables from 2 to 9, you will know any number of tables. But you must do it in the rough column. Okay? You need to multiply in the rough column so that you will get the correct answer. So let's begin our class. So the first number is 2563 divided by 11. So let's make a column. Let's write 11, 2, 5, 6, 3. Now 11 is one of the most easiest multiplication table. 11 ones are 1, 1, 11. 11 twos are 2, 2. 11 threes are 3, 3. It's one of the most easiest multiplication tables. So we need not use the rough column if we know the tables. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33. Now 33 is more than 25. Let me again start. We have 2. 11 will not go into 2, but so we have to take another 2 digits. Another digit. So 2 digits. Now we can divide 25 by 11. 11 goes into 25 how many times? 2 times. Because 11 threes are 33. It's big. 11 ones are 11. It's too small. So 11 twos are 22. Now, after we subtract, we must check. Is the remainder less than the divisor? Yes. So it means that we have done the sum correctly. Sometimes our remainder is more than the divisor. It means that we have done it incorrectly. So we must rub it out and redo the sum. So next we bring down 6. What do we have here? Which number? 36. So let's do the tables. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44. Can we put 44? No, 44 is bigger than 36. So let's come down one number. 11 threes are 33. Yes, it will go. So 11 threes are 33. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So 36 minus 33 is 3. So we bring down the last digit 3. Now we have 33 here. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, and we have 33. Very good. So 11 will go into 33 how many times? 11 threes are 33. Now let's check again. 11 twos are 22, 5 minus 2, 3, 2 minus 2, 0, bring down 6. 11 threes are 33. 36 minus 33, 3. And then we bring down 3. 11 threes are 33. That was an easy one because you know the 11 times table. Let's try and do the next sum. 6354 divided by 15. Now most of us do not know 15 time tables. But if you know the tables of from 2 to 9, you will know how to do 15 time tables, and you have to use the rough column. Okay, the children? So 15. Will 15 go into 6? No. So we have to take 2 digits. Now how much is it? 63. So let's try. You know 15 ones are 15, so no need to multiply 15 ones are 15. Let's do 15 threes. 3 fives are 15. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4. 45. Maybe it's still small. So let's do one more time. 4 times. 5 fours are 20. 4 ones are 4 plus 2, 6. We've got 60 and 63. We have found our number. But let's do one more. Okay? 15 fives. 5 fives are 25. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7. How much? 75. Can we put 75 here? No, because it's a bigger number. Can we put 45 here? No, because you'll get a bigger remainder. Okay, it's too small. So the right number or the correct number is 60. 50 fours are 60. 3 minus 0, 3. 6 minus 6, 0. Bring down 5. So let's do our tables. 15 ones are 15. Everyone knows that. Yes or no? 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are, let's see. 15 twos are 2 fives are 10. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. We've got 30. So and the number here is 35. Can we put 45? No. Can we put 50? No, it's too small. The right number is 30. So 50 twos are 30. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 3, 0. Bring down 4. We have 54 and we have already done our multiplications here. We have 45, 60, 75, 30 and the number here is 54. Can we do it 4 times? No, we cannot write 60. It's too big. 45 is the correct number. So 15 goes into 54 how many times? 3 times. 15 threes are 45. 4 minus 5. I know some of you are saying 1. No, we must borrow because the top number is small. So 14 minus 5, 9. 4 minus 4, 0. So when we divide this number by 50, we get the coefficient 4, 2, 3 and the remainder 9. Check if the remainder is less than 50 or more than 50. It's less than 50. So it means our sum is right. So children, you need to do a lot of rough work, but you need to learn the tables from 2 to 9 also. And when we use bigger numbers to divide a certain number, we need to do a lot of rough work. Okay? So that will give you practice in knowing your 2 to 9 times table. So let's do 4562. 4562 divided by 18 and let's do one more. 7963 divided by 26. So are we ready? Okay. So let's make a column. 4562 divided by 18. So now we realize that if we know the tables from 2 to 9, we can do any amount of double-digit multiplication. Okay? We will know 67 fives are if we do it in the rough column. So you don't need to learn 65 times table. But if you do it in rough column, you can do it. So most of us don't know 18 times table. So what are we going to do? We are going to do multiply in the rough column. 18 ones are 18. That's simple. Everyone will know. Okay? So let's see now. 18 twos are? We don't know. So let's go to the rough column. 18 twos are. 2 eights are 16. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. We've got 36, but here we have 45. Let's do one more. Remember, multiply till you get a number that is more than the given number. Then you will know which number to put. When you multiply, again, I'm telling you, when you multiply, try and multiply a number that is just bigger than this 45. And then you will know, get the sum correct or the number that is required. So let's do 18 threes are. 3 eights are 24. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5. 3 eights are 24. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 54. So we know how much is 18 threes are? 54. Wasn't that simple when we do it in the rough column? Okay. So we have found a number. So now we know that 18 threes are 54. We cannot put that because it's a bigger number. 18 twos are 36. Yes, because the next smaller number is 36. So now we have got our number. 18 twos are 36. Remember children, if the top number is smaller, what must we do? Borrow from the next number. 15 minus 6, 9. 3 minus 3, 0. Bring down 6. Which number is here? 96. So let's do the multiplication in the rough column. So 18. Let's do 3 times is 54. Let's do 6 times. 6 8s are 48. 6 1s are 6 plus 4, 10. It is 108, which is bigger than this number. So let's do one number down. Instead of 6, we'll do 5 times. 85. 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 9. We've got our number. See? If we do it in the rough column, we will know any type of tables. So we've got 18 5s are 90. We've got our number. So over here is 96. So 18 5s are 90. 6 minus 0, 6. 9 minus 9, 0. Bring down 2. Now we've got the number 62. We have already done a multiplication. 2 times 36, 3 times 54. Oh, we haven't done 18 4s are. 4 8s are 32. 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 72. 62, 72. Can we put that number? No. Let's go one number down. 4, then 3. Yes, we've got a number. 18 3s are 54. 12 minus 4, 8. And so we are finished doing our sum. So dear children, do a lot of rough work. Make your rough margin big so you can do a lot of multiplications there. And you'll have a lot of practice doing your multiplication tables also. So let's do one more. 7963. 7963 divided by 26. So don't think of this number 26 as a big number. How will I know how to do 26 times table? When you do it in the rough column, everything will be easy. Why? Because you learned your 2 to 9 times table, and that's enough. Okay? So 26. We've got 7 here. Will 26 go to 7? No. So we have to take 2 digits. 26. Will it go into 7, 9? Let's see. 26 ones are 26. That's very simple. It's easy, no? Okay, let's do 4 times. 4 6 are 24. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. So it is too big a number. Let's come down one more number. 26 3s are 3 6 are 18. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 78. Wow, we got a number, okay? So 26 will go into 78 how many times? 3 times. So set 26, 3s are 78. 9 minus 8, 1. 7 minus 7, 0. Bring down 6. How much do we have here? 16. Will 26 go into 16? It's too small a number. So, how many times will 26 go into 16? 0 times. Very good. 26 0 is a 0. We'll do one number at a time, okay? We can bring this down, but many children make a mistake. So, let's do it one number at a time. 16. Now we bring down this 3. So 26 zeros are 0, and we have the remainder 16. Now how much we have here? 163. So 26 3s are 78. Let's do the double of 3. 26 6. 3 plus 3 6. So we'll do it 6 times. 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12. 13 14 15. We have found a number. But what did I tell you? Do a number that is just more than this number. So let's do it one more time. 26 7. 7 6 are 42, 7 2s are 40, plus 4, 182. So this number will be big. The correct number will be 156. So 26 will go into 163 how many times? 6 times. So 656. Okay, 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12, plus 3, 15. So we need to borrow here 13 minus 6, 7, 0, 0. Okay, so we got the remainder. So dear children, if you know the tables from 2 to 9, you can multiply any numbers. You can even multiply 86 multiplied by 9. You can even know the 86 times table by doing the rough column. See, 9 6 are 54, 9 8 are 72, plus 5, 77. So 86 9s are 774. But you need to know your tables from 2 to 9. 10 is easy, 11 is easy. For some of you, 12, 13 may be easy. But for some of us who don't know, we must do it in the rough column. I know it's difficult to multiply. I know it takes a lot of time. But the more you practice, the better it is. So dear children, please have a look at this video. Okay, so this is what we have done is division by 2 digits, and I know many of you have understood. If you haven't, please go through teachment and through this video again and again so that you will know. Okay, so this is class 5. So dear children, stay safe, be safe, and don't give trouble to your parents. Bye. See you.